Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plants. Today I'll be using Neku Sweet Cloudy Kit for this spread. So I'm excited to use it and show you guys how I do it, but we'll take it very slowly. But here I am taking out the sheets out slowly. But yeah, so this kit is very universal and it will fit in your Erin Condren planner or any smaller planners that you may have. I have designed these kits to fit most planners, and there's a lot of stickers in here that you can definitely use. First of all, I normally take out these date cover up, so this is where I'm doing it right now, and of course I need to stick them on my hand. I don't know if you guys do that, but I do it often when I have quite a bit that I would definitely need to use, so I just stick on my hand. It's just much more convenient that way. But I just stick it one by one and try to align by the left side of the box and just stick it down just like that. And usually I like to put down the foundation of the stickers first before anything else, and usually at the end I would bunch of decor stickers on the spreads and make it a little bit nicer. But yeah, first I need to put the dates first. Generally you don't have to use it, you can if you want to. I find it looks a little bit nicer to have a date cover up. Here I am focusing on the sidebar. I normally put a meal tracker for the week, but this week it's a little bit different. I am tracking the days until the new game comes out, and AC and H is actually Animal Crossing New Horizon. For those who don't know, but I've been a big fan of Animal Crossing New Horizon. Anyway, so then here I am putting the first full box decor box down, and there's no particular order how I do it. I just like to put it wherever. Possibly from the top, middle, and end, which is the bottom. And then I alternate that back to the next day. But you can use it however you like. Some people like to put I'll align the sticker boxes in at the top, some like to put at bottom, so however you like. And the one that I put just placed down with the little circle transparent in the middle, you can definitely write quotes in there. This time I left it empty, but I want to decide to write something in later on, but I haven't decided what it is. I really like the Neku that's sticking out from the clouds, and I turn it into almost like one huge image for Saturday and Sunday. I think those two really complement with each other. At the bottom I did place a washi sticker, and you can definitely cut it up and make it smaller washi, but for me I like to put it at the bottom to make it look like nicer at the bottom, I guess. So next I put a middle small quarter sticker box, but I haven't decided how I should position it. I was thinking of maybe place it vertically, but decided to place it normally, which is the horizontally. Next I decided to look at what else I can put on the sidebar, and I decided to put another tracker, and this is for me to track my H2O, which is water intake, but you can write medication intake or exercise or whatever you normally track for that week. I thought that was going to use this pen, the Pocky pen. It's actually really cute, but I kind of changed it on to a different pen later on. You see in the video I chose the gradient pen. You'll see later it matches so well with this kit. But next I decided to put to-do header and then put these star header checklist. It's so cute. This checklist is so cute. You should look at it closely. And next you do notice I put a menu behind it, and the reason being is that this makes it easier for me to write on top instead of without it. And so I typically put something underneath where my writing would be. So I'm just writing some of the top tasks that I would do for that day, so I'll just write those 3 down, and I'm filling out for H2O and the habit tracker, and same for the weekly tracker as well. So this is, again, I said that I would track my countdown. So excited for the game, and so I write it down. But normally, typically you see my other spreads, especially Hobonichi or other planners, I do track the meal plan, but for this one I want to track the game that's coming down. And then next I wrote the dates. I think it might be better to write the dates in the beginning when you place down the stickers, but just do what you can and just go from there. And there's no right or wrong way to decorate your planner, but this is the one way I normally do for A6 spreads. Here I am just using these quarter boxes, and there is, if you look at it closely, you do see Mimi holding a laptop, and basically I wrote a task I need to do for that day. And these smaller boxes, I am writing a set appointment, which is a phone call that I need to make. And I forgot to mention that this spread is actually for last week. I forgot to do a plan with me to show you guys, but here it is. Hopefully you guys do enjoy it so far. Also, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Cindy again, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe now, and I will make more planner related videos. You can see plan with me, planner review, stickers, and so on. I am a stationery lover. I love stationery and planners. Here I am writing down tasks again. New kit. Oh, so I did design a new kit for that day, and it is the same one that I am using right now. So I need to write down the tasks I need to do for that day, like promoting the kit on the IG, let you guys know that I have it. Also, I created a bullet journal spreads for that day too. Here I am decided to use a tiny flags. You can use it however you like. For me, I like to write tasks, kind of like a sticky note, like don't forget about this. So I wrote another phone call for that day. Next, I decided to fill in some boxes again, and of course A, C, and H. It came on that day. I'm excited, and I got it later in that day, and I get to play. Then I decided to kind of figure out where my stickers are, and here it is. I decided to use this Neku switch sticker, and these are the ones that you can find in my shop, and I designed it actually a little bit smaller. These are actually the original size, but I reduced it a little bit smaller size, so you can definitely fit in even smaller places in your spreads. And here I am. So here I brought out another sticker from my shop. It's Neku in a little cloud. It fits so well with this kit. I decided to write new release on that day. And that is the new kit that I designed, and this is the one that I'm using. I wrote it down there, it said new release design. It's so cute. You could definitely fit so much in that space. Next, I put a to-do task. Again, it's a star checklist. I love it. I love anything related to stars, and you guys probably know, actually seen a lot of stickers that have stars, so hopefully you guys like it so far. And then next I put down another sticker, a little quarter box sticker with Neku in the cloud, and writing just a huge task again. ACNH in CNH is probably the whole theme for this week, or at least for that week. Next, I will continue to find different stickers. I'm trying to find a specific sticker, but you know me, there's a lot of stickers on the table. It takes a while, but now I did find it. To-do sticker header. So it does come with pink and blue, but you can alternate different way of using it. And after that, when placing it down, you can put a same checklist color, or you can choose a different one. Here I'm just writing the tasks for that day. And I'm doing the same for Friday as well, so to do, and then find another color that's similar to it and place it down. And I'm writing some to-do lists for that day on Friday. Next, I am using this small script. Is called This Week, and there's plenty of scripts that you can definitely use, but they are there for you, like reminders, priority, meal plan, payday, to go, to do, but you can definitely use however you like. But for me, this week on the header sidebar, I like to use This Week, and I write the things that I need to remember for this week to do, and these are a few things I will have to do. And next, I decided to use another quarter box sticker and place it at the bottom of my sidebar. And here I am writing a small motivation quote for us, or for me, that is, we will be okay, stay strong, and then little heart. It's actually really cute. And this is the final part. I like this part. This stage is fun. It's more like using a bunch of stickers, decor stickers, and place it all over the place to make it more nice. Nice? Yeah, nice and prettier. So I placed more Neku stickers all around. These clouds are actually designed to be smaller and in different sizes. So you can place it in a box, you can place it in a corner of your page. For me, I wanted to place it in spaces that have a lot of open spaces to kind of fill up, make it more nice and clean. So here I put a little tiny Neku at the corner of the box. Actually really cute, turned out really cute. So I continue to do that, and you can do so too. And next, I am using these flags. I'm going to utilize these smaller flags and stick it wherever I can on this spread. But I think I utilize all of them, and it turned out really nice. So here is the remaining stickers I have left over. I could definitely reuse it and turn to next spread if I like. But here is the final look. Here's the look, flip front and back, Saturday and Sunday, Thursday, Friday, and this is look, and let's put it back in our planner. So I did slit this page. It's just easier to pull in and out, and it's easier for that way, but I don't know about you. I would suggest to do so. But here is this week, and then Thursday, Friday, and back to this week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this spread, but if you guys like it, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe, and so I can see you next time for more videos. But here I am adding extra stickers, but that's about it. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!